You are welcome to the Saturday News Headline. So let's go. This is Saturday, July 17, 2021. Let's go. So we come up with the search. You can see 6 hours ago, nigerianews.com. Let's see the kind of news we have here. Let me go to Nigeria News. Anyone I see, I just try to go to it. I will just try to look at it from that angle. Latest Biafra or IPOB news for Saturday, July 17, 2021. Here you can see security agencies uncover IPOB's plot to attack Kuje prison. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Don't mind what my phone is showing. So you can see this Biafra. Let me just go to the other one. I'm seeing something on Sarah Reporters. Sunday Igboho trying to escape from Nigeria. Yeah, I actually saw this earlier today also, July 17, 2021, and I was like, wow. So are they trying to say that Sunday Igboho is actually escape from Nigeria or something? What do they mean by that? You can see the immigration noted that this was to enable Igboho to acquire a new Nigerian passport, apparently to facilitate his escape out of the country. The Nigerian security agencies have alerted its officials nationwide to stop Yoruba Nation activist and agitator Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho, from leaving the country. The Nigerian security agencies, after serially failing to stop the ravaging insecurity in the country, in a letter by the Nigerian Immigration Service copied to the Nigeria Police Force and the Department of State Services, among others, said that credible intelligence revealed that Adeyemo is making efforts to obtain a police extract and or court affidavit. So you can see what we have here basically. All right. So let me move to another news. Don't mind this, my phone. Oh, he's just doing his own, guy. He's turning on his own. So let's go to another news. Obviously, I want to check latest nigerianews.com. In fact, okay, let's go to latest. Sorry for that break in transmission. I just wanted you to see some of those little challenges that we face while trying to record this thing. It's not always so easy. So the latest nigerianews.com, Saturday 17 July. This one too is also a trending news. Obi Kubana at his mom's burial. I think more than 300 cows were killed or something like that. That's also trending on the social media space. So you can see Punch News. Obi Kubana, a brother and good friend, Super Cup Abba Kyari, defense presence at billionaire's mom's burial. What is the content of this news? Popular police detective Abba Kyari was one of the guests at a don't mind this by phone, at a star-studded ceremony where popular club owner Obinna Iyiegbu, popularly known as Obi Kubana, buried his mother at Oba Town in Anambra State. Read more on that. I wasn't ashamed doing bricklaying job orders to raise tuition, accommodation fees, Madwa Dichi final year police student. Read more. Omoagege defense position on e-resort transmission. Omoagege is the current deputy senate president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I can just go ahead and check it. Omoagege, yeah, like I said his position earlier, so I don't feel any need saying it. One thing is that there were some rancor, some disputes in National Assembly this week also. Though I didn't take that. The last news headline I had 2 days ago, Thursday. You know, normally weekly we have Thursday and Saturday news headline. The last one I had, I can recall clearly that we didn't talk about the National Assembly rancor. That majorly took place on Thursday, late Thursday. So I didn't really see the news then. This e-transmission of a thing, I think they actually rejected it. So Omoagege is trying to clear the air on why they rejected on something. Vanguard, FG enters the looted Benin artifact custody contest. Petrol cost more in Benue Abia Cross River in June. You can see this is some Benin artifacts were looted. See other news headline. I can't take everything because of time, you know. So, but as I'm scrolling, I'm sure you are looking at the news headline, right? Sports. You can see some other things also. Okay, lastly, let me just go to Ireland. Even as we round up things, even as I'm rounding up, I want to really appreciate you for following me too. I won't lie to you, it's been quite challenging, you know. Some things have been quite exhausting. Maybe one of these days when I do a video stuff, you would actually see me, like not just this thing that I'm trying to show. Okay, Empower Batch C, how to fix residential address error after uploading on NAMIS, those that have been picked. Autumn to Buhari, if Casino gets 6.25 billion naira for ranching, give Benue 100 billion. Stop the seat, check it. Chief of Army Staff, which is Major General Yusuf Yahaya, meets Olowu of Kuta, renews commitment to national security. Check it out. Thank you very much for following. So please don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. God bless you. Stay tuned on latest news. Thank you.